Hey guys, I'm Simulator Tech, and today I'm going to show you how I made an $80 pre-built keyboard sound like this. So as you could probably see from the title, I'm going to show you guys how to mod your Epomaker Ep84. The first mod I did was lubing and filming the switches. I ordered this keyboard with Gateron yellows, and I lubed them with Krytox 205G0 and filmed them with Duroc 0.15mm films. This will make the keyboard sound and feel smoother, and the films will improve the tolerances of the stems. Before I get into the next mod, I'm going to show you guys how to disassemble the board. All you have to do is unclip the sides from the bottom of the case and everything should come apart. The PCB is plugged into a daughter board, so make sure to remove that carefully. The next mod I did was the tape mod, also known as the Tempest Mod. This made the keyboard sound more poppy and a bit deeper. Nearlucid has a really good video explaining what it does and how to do it, which will be linked in the description. To actually do the mod, all you have to do is apply varying layers of tape on the back of the PCB. I used 2 layers of painter's tape and that seemed to do the trick. This next mod is very important and your board will not sound nearly as good if you don't do it. Luckily it's pretty easy. All you have to do is open your keyboard and put some foam or sound dampening material in the case. I've used many different materials in the past, but the material I've decided on using is some of a cut up textbook cover I was no longer using. Okay, future Simulator Tech here. So I actually used some random foam. I didn't use cut up textbook cover. I was using that for a while, but I didn't. I switched it out for some random foam I had laying around. So yeah. Anyways, back to the video. I would also suggest using polyfill, but the amount needed makes the case very hard to close. The final mod is one that I discovered recently, but I think it really adds the finishing touch to this board. What I did was apply a few layers of electrical tape to the inside of the spacebar. There are foams you can buy that do this for you, but I just decided to do it myself because it's cheaper. I really like how it makes the spacebar sound as it's less hollow and more muted. Just a side note, since this keyboard uses plate mount stabilizers, the sides of the stems may interfere with the tape if it's too close to the stem holes. With all of those mods, your Ep84 should sound absolutely amazing. With that, make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.